Hey guys, it's Arslan here. Today I'm going to do a comparison between Google Pixel Buds and AirPods. I think I have been using them for about 3-4 months now, probably longer. And I have switched between iPhone X and Google Pixel 2 XL. So I'm not going to talk about these phones right now. I will put the links in the description below to the unboxing and review of those phones. But right now, today we are just going to talk about these things. I will start with the AirPods. If you look at it, it's a pretty solid plastic body design. On the outer side, you have the button for pairing and stuff, and you open up, this straight come out, and you can use them. That's pretty much what body is all about. And if you I'll get into the other details, but that's like the overall design. And I kind of like this design a little bit more because it's that fabric touch to it. Also, it's a plastic inside, and there's this rubber kind of thing, but it's also a plastic body, but with this fabric on it. It look really nice, and you don't have to worry about it opening in your bag or your pocket. It's a pretty good magnet in here, and once you open it, you can just grab this, and just like that, it's out, and you can put it in your ear. There you go, just like that, it's there. And you can adjust it by moving this up and down, depends. Like you can see, I have really small ears, so I normally keep it really down. And a lot of people, every time they have talked to me, they have asked me about this. How long does it take you to wrap it around? Honestly, not really, because if you look at it, after using it for a while, you have this. I'm using it in my hand, so you have this for a while, and then you straight go like this, and it doesn't take any time.
You will first need to tap the notification.
Yeah, exactly.
Then you can let headsets work with the Google Assistant.
I like it. Yes, so once you have it in your hand, you can just put it in there, just like this, and quickly wrap it around, and there you go. It doesn't take a lot of time. And now I'll come back to the AirPods. If you open them, I don't know how many times it have happened to me when you have both of them there. You open them and really quickly you put it in the wrong one. That have happened to me a lot. So personally, I like the Google way of doing it. And then it depends, because these ones don't have a wire, so you kind of, it depends what's your preference. Over here you have a wire that goes around your neck. And now if I come back to the sound quality, I have small ears. AirPods, they fit really well in my ear, like you can see, they will not move or anything. With Pixel, it's a different design. That's why it's, I wouldn't say it's good in your ear, but it's not as great as AirPods. So that's one thing. And the second thing, like, pairing is really quick with both of them. You grab your AirPod, bring it close to your iPhone X, and you open it, and you will get the pop-up message, and it's paired. Same thing, you take your Google Pixel Buds, you move it closer to Google Pixel 2 or 2 XL or any of Pixel phone, and you open it, and you get the notification, and it's connected. And one more thing, AirPods don't have that many gestures. So let's say you have a couple of things, play and pause. You have only two of them, and you can use Siri. You can change between them, I know that, but there are not many. On the other hand, with Google Pixel Buds, you have a lot more gestures. Let me put it on. So you have multiple gestures on Google Pixel Buds. You can do a single tap to play, and the single tap again to pause, double tap to forward, and then you can swipe, slide on it like this, forward to increase the volume, and back to lower the volume. So I kind of like that you have more gestures. It's easier to do certain things than it is on AirPods. So it's just a preference, how you want to do it. And yeah, So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any more questions about these, just let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.